Hi everyone, welcome back to the Jodoo Masterclass series. Today, we are diving into managing workflow versions. This feature ensures that data currently in the flow can be unaffected by modifications. To change a workflow's design, such as adding or deleting a node, you have to add a new version. To put it in an actual scenario, changes in a business process requires redesigning a workflow. You need to create a new workflow version and apply these modifications, then enable this new version to make it active. Next, let's see how to set it up. Enter the workflow page of this vehicle application. Click Version here and click Manage Workflow Versions. We can see versions can be marked into three status: draft, active, or previous. A draft version has not been enabled and can be modified. Only in drafts can you delete or add nodes, redirect flow lines, change conditions, and set node properties and workflow properties. Active means this workflow is currently enabled. When you create a record, the submitted data will follow the steps defined in the active version. Among all the versions, only one can be set as active at any given time. A previous version is previously active and replaced by a newly enabled version. When an enabled version is replaced, initiated under the previous version will continue to progress until all data submitted in that version has been fully processed. Still here, in Manage Workflow Versions, you can edit, enable, and delete versions. Edit. For any of the versions, you can click Edit to set node properties and field permissions. Enable. You can click Enable to enable a version. The currently enabled version should be the one and the only active version for the workflow, and the replaced active version will become previous. After a new version is enabled, newly submitted data will flow in the new version, while the data submitted before should flow in the corresponding previous version. Once a draft becomes active, it does not return to draft. Delete. Draft versions and previous versions without data can be deleted. If there was /is data flowing in a previous version, the version cannot be deleted. In the Workflow Designing page, you can also click this icon to add a description to the current design. And that's it for today's tutorial. Now you better know how to manage workflow versions. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video clip. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below. We're always here to help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.